Good morning everybody. Today I take your math class. So in the previous day I have already completed chapter 5 A, B and C. Today I do chapter 5D and 5E. 5D and E, decimal addition and subtraction. So now I do some sums of 5D and some decimals addition, and 5E some decimal subtraction, and some sums I give you as homework. Okay, now add the giving decimal numbers. Addition: 4.7 and 13.88, that is 4.7 in 70, 13.888, 8s at 15, carrying 1, 3, 1, 4, 4, 8, 1. 55.73, 39.802, 730, 2, 3, 8s at 15, 1, carrying 1, 9, 1, 10, 5, 15, 1, 3, 1, 4, 5, 9. 3.27 and 0.662. 3.27 means 3.270, that is 2, 7, 6, 13, carrying 1, 2, 1, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 3.932 answer. F, 100.99, 1.25 and 23.56, that is 100.99, 1.25, 23.56. 6, 5, 11, 9, 20, carrying 2, 5 to 7, 2, 11, 9, 5 to 7, 7 at 2, 9, 9, 9, 18, 18, 8, carrying 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 1, 125.80. H, 317.99, 63.01 and 29. 317.99, 63.01, 29.00. 9, 1, 10, carrying 1, 9, 1, 10, carrying 1, 9, 1, 10, 3, 13, 20. 2, carrying 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 4, 10, 1, 11, 3, 1, 4, 410.00. 3, question number 3, solve the giving statements. 36.83 more than 16.1, that is 36.83, 16.10 plus 3, 819, 6612, carrying 112, 325. 7.860, 1.290, that is 9, 6, 8, 2, 0, 112, 79. Increase 7.86 by 1.20, that means plus. Increase means plus. 5D, 3C, 3C, 52.88 more than 14.76, that is 52.88, 14.76. 8, 6, 14, carrying 1, 7 on 8, 8, 16, carrying 1, 4 on 5, 5, 2, 7 and 5, 1, 6, that is 67.64 answer. Add 45 to 0.007, 45.000, 0.007, 70054, 45.007. Okay. Exercise 5E. 5E, subtract, that is minus. Subtract the given decimal number. A, 12.376 from 13.88. From 13.88. So, ऊपर में 13.880, 12.376, 64, 718, 880, 835, 211, 1.504. Answer. B, 12.09 from 15.889, 15.889, 12.090, 9, 18, 9, 9, 8, say 8, from 8, 1 carrying, so 1, 18, so 7, so 7, 3, 3.799, C, 39.88 from 50, 50, 39, 8, 0 means 10, 10, 9, so 8 to 1, 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 8, 1, 9, 0, 5, 3, 3, 1, 4, 4, 4 minus 3, 1. Okay. 177 D 177.99 864 from 235.9, 235.900, 177.864. 10, 10 से 1 ले लिया तो 9, 9 से 1 ले लिया 8, 15, that means 10 से 4 6, 9 से 6 3, 8 से 8 80, 5 7, that means 3 से 1 ले लिया 15, 12 1 12 2 1 ले लिया 12, तो 15 से 7 जाएगा 8, 12 से 7 चला जाएगा 5, तो 110, 58.036. 1.309 from 236, 236.000, 1.309. 10 से 9 1, so 10 से 1 ले लिया 9, 10 से 1 ले लिया 9, so 9, 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 0 9, 9 3 6, so 5, 6 से 1 ले लिया 5, so 5 से 1 4 2 3, 234.691. okay. F 4.2 from 5.666, so 5.666, 4.200, 6 6 6 2 4 11.466. answer. Solve the giving statements, that is 18.3 number. 18.75 less than 24.08, so 24.08 minus 18.75, 853, so 0 छोटा 8, so 4 से 1 ले लिया 10, और 3 हो गया, 2 से 1 ले लिया 13, so 853, 10 7 3, 4 13 minus 8 5 11, 5.33. Reduce 16.66 from 37.87, 37.87 minus 16.66, 7 से 6 1 minus 1 1, 7 minus 6 1, 8 minus 6 2, 7 minus 6 1, 3 minus 1 2, 21.21. 74.66 less than 105.752, 105.752, 74.6602. 15 6 9, 7 से 1 ले लिया 15, so 6 6 6 0, 5 से 4 चला जाएगा तो 1, then 10, 0 means 7 0, 7 से छोटा so 1 ले लिया, 7 से 3 10 से 3 7, so 31.9092. answer. Take away 45.07 from 63.9, so 63.90, 45.07, 10 से 3 7 चला जाएगा 3, 9 से 1 ले लिया 8 8 8, 6 से 1 ले लिया 13, 13 से 5 जाएगा 8, 5 से 4 जाएगा 1, तो 18.83. okay. Some sums I do in the class and then I will do some homework worksheet. Add the given decimal numbers 1 का पूरा. A 5.62 3.31 plus B 24.08 13.72, C 134.24 21.07, D 12.96 4.50, E 6.218 83.072, F 205.392 713.227, Z 86.512 22.052, H 190.25 11.05. 5D 2 number D 66.01 and decimal, add the given decimal number 63.01 and 33.909. You do it at column or plus number, then you do it. 64.06 and 0.684. G 25.889 and 56.004. okay. 5D 5E, subtract the giving decimal numbers. A 7.92 minus 4.42, B 67.09 25.02 minus 384.37 89.45 minus 110.05 98.15 minus 77.007 minus 54.126. F 412.999 minus 179.010. Z 69.386 minus 59.477. H 152.08 minus 11.75. Okay, and then I hold the page 2 or 3 seconds. Now I complete chapter 5, 5D and 5E. Some sums I do in your class and some sums I give you worksheet as homework. You will do complete your homework and next day we will start 5F and 5G. Okay, today I finish today. Now I finish these chapters. Okay, thank you.